Ladies and students, today's subject is about use your willpower. Willpower is most important for people in all walks of life. Businessmen, teachers, soldiers, navymen, air force, all government officers. A person without willpower, he cannot do anything in this world because person lost willpower, they cannot control their emotion or sadness. In business, you have to face a lot of failure. That time you have willpower. Otherwise, people committing suicide or because they can't bear it. So you should have willpower. You have to bear it. Those who are facing the problem, they become very mature. They become the master of that side. So you should have willpower from the right beginning. You have to make it. Small things teach a lesson. Most of us, we learn from experience. Always remember, experience is our best teacher in our life. Person learn from experience, you never will fail. So, when you do small business in the beginning, there will be loss in the business that you have to suffer it. Then focus on other one. Change the other business. It may be failure. Change other one. So, after so many times changing, then you become the master of the business field. Then you can build up, you become a good industrialist or businessman because you pass every exam, every test you pass, so you become very strong, a man of strong willpower. If you lost willpower, nothing can be done in this world. In the exam, students failure. In the love, they failure. That time is willpower. If that girl doesn't mind you, that boy doesn't mind you, forget about that boy and girl. Select other. So willpower is most important in our field. Farmers, why farmers commit suicide? They have no willpower. Their paddy field completely spoiled by nature calamity or water or flood something. So that farmers can't they take extremely because they lost their willpower. Deep. Suppose say soldiers working in the border against Pakistan or China. The soldiers lost their willpower. Definitely they will fail. They are nothing but they are like a small child. Willpower. That's most important in any field. And a person going to space, outer space by rocket or other things, they reach the other planets. That person have more willpower. The coward cannot reach in the outer space. Only willpower you have to take it from the right beginning, achieve from the society, achieve from other people, follow and see how the brave man doing like that. Read more books and books, famous people's books, and you can achieve more success and willpower through that way. Without willpower, cannot do anything, you can't come up in the life. In any field, from small business to or higher, from any field, this willpower is most important. Try to win willpower. Use your willpower. Okay, have a nice evening. May God bless you.